Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to change your username on the Twitter or X app. This is perfect for those of you who are rebranding, updating, or just want a little change. Stick with me until the end of this video and you'll see just how easy it is to switch up your username. Let's get into it. So let's say we open the X app and head over to our profile. There's this Edit Profile button that seems promising, right? You click on it and it opens up your profile editor. But wait, it looks like we can only change our name here, not our username. Unlike Instagram and TikTok, the option to change the username isn't in the profile editor. No problem. Let's go back to the homepage. Now look for your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Click on that and a menu will expand. Find Settings and Support and then Settings and Privacy. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the X settings, the first thing you'll see is the Your Account option. Click on that. Next, you'll find Account Information. And there it is, the username option right at the top. Here's where you can easily change your username. You'll see your current one at the top. Below that, there's a box for your new username. Go ahead and type in whatever new username you're thinking of. As you type, you'll see this little green indicator that tells you if the new username is available. Super handy, right? Once you've picked your new username and got that green light, just tap on Done in the top left corner. And voila! Your username is updated on your new X account. And that's all there is to it, folks. Changing your username on the X app is as simple as that. If you're looking for more tutorials on the new X app, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.